Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Natural Disasters. If you don't know this game, basically there were a ton of disasters. I think that last one was lightning. Please like and subscribe for more, and comment what you want to play next, what you want me to play next. Glass tower. That noise kind of sounds quite nice. Just a ton of people stepping. I've played this game once or twice as a test. I'm staying in the middle. So I think that like all disasters imaginable, like earthquake, meteor shower, flood, tsunami, tornado, lightning, a ton of other stuff. Look, tsunami. Did someone just jump off? Get to higher ground, you. Go, I'm gonna win. I hope. If this glass breaks, I'm screwed. So I'm not gonna go there. But if anything breaks, I'm screwed. Wait, can I get... How is she so tall? So she's lucky those knives are nearly hitting her. I want to see it come out. Oh. That was not the best idea. I'll tell you that. Oh, Alex Redhouse. That's a weird name. No one could have survived that. Unless one person did. Also, comment if you want me to play Minecraft. No survivors? What? That's a big tsunami. This is a leaderboard. Who's on it? No, sir, I'm on your head. Haha. Glass office again. Holes. Yup. I'm just gonna stay on this bush. Not actually, no, that's a bad idea. I think there's also a volcano. Who doesn't like volcanoes? Wait. Oh, come on. What? Actually, what if it's whatever it's called? Earthquake, yeah. Yup. All this. My name on Roblox is Mr. Blueberry Blue 2, because I like blue and I'm a Mister. And there's already one of those. So if you want to try to friend me, then sure. That's close. I will survive this one. People are outside. Oh wow. If I go down there, I'm dead. This is a good corner. Oh my. Oh, come on! That is annoying. Oh! Can it please not be glass tower next time? Getting bored of it. Can I jump on his head? Alex Red L Spill? People's names are so hard to say. I mean, wow. Oh, finally something that's not glass tower. It was probably glass tower before this. Before I started. Wait, can I get on top of that house? Don't know why I want to. Just want to try. Okay, you probably could, but I don't really want to. Hello. Hello, I will sleep. I want to sleep. Tired. Yeah, just cooking some food. Yum, 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 yum. He just died. Oh, fudge. I was under the tornado. How lucky is that? I lost my hair though. And my skin color. How can tornadoes take that stuff away? Will I survive one? Will I actually survive one? I'm hoping so. This is a bad tree. It's not letting me get on. Yeah, good tree. Now I'm gonna try to jump onto that. Oh yes! Oh no. Now I'm running. It's after me. This is a very lucky tree, and so is that one. They've got all the other trees except for these two. And I took my glasses away, so bad tornado. Yay, survived one. Don't think I'm gonna be on the leaderboard, but it's worth looking. Two, yes, and now four. They're both wearing exactly the same skin. I'm on that. I didn't know I had four. Oh, prison panic. Why do I kind of want to go to prison for some reason? My glasses are still nowhere. And same with my hair. What's in here? He just disappeared. I don't think I want to do that. They're just jumping into nowhere. I'm gonna do it. Oh, come on, I'm in prison. Let me go. 247. Ooh! If I survive this, I bet I get to keep it. Oh, yes! That's actually so lucky. This is one... she lost her arm. That's disgusting. Sorry if you have actually lost an arm before. Sorry. I'm moving on. Dennis. Hello, Dennis. I think I just killed him. You think I can jump to there? Wait. I'm missing a foot. That's bad. Okay. This reminds me of my last video. And I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Do I get to keep my suit? I hope. Because I'm in my suit. Suit. Yeah, boys. Save today. Just 80 Robux. I don't have none of that. Yes, I'm still on there. Need a lift? No thanks. Coastal Quick Shop. Ooh. There's a big lighthouse. I want to go up there. But if I fall, I die. I was in the water last round. That was insane. You think I can fall out the window? Yeah. Oh wow, that's lucky. I so nearly died. Which way is it coming? If you go up there, you'll probably survive. But then you die. That means you would have died. That's confusing. Come on, let us survive this. I'm a runner, I just went to prison. Someone just jumped off. What did he try to catch a wave? Oh, he's a little. Nope. Oh, come on! That's mean. Mean, but mean. Some people survived. That's only because one of them cheated. Although I would if I had any Robux. 1, 2 survive. And one has a big balloon. If you bought a balloon, do you think you'll be able to go from here, jump, all the way to there? That'd be cool. Run. Fall. I'm still up there. Because I'm still up there. Yeah! Okay, it's out of a lot of things, and I don't know the names of them. Oh, why can I never move? It's so annoying. Acid rain. Oh wow, that's pulling this apart like things. Is there another place I can go? Oh no, I'm dying. Ow. Ouchies. Yeah, here. Ouchies. I know, under here. Oh no, bad. Yeah, No, if I don't die, I'm gonna be amazed. Run. No, I'm gonna die. And I'm gonna end the video here, so see you guys next time. Bye!